Hello everyone, so today we're going to be checking out some more organization videos. I absolutely love these. They're so satisfying to watch. Like, I just love seeing stuff look perfectly organized and just together. It's such an inspiration, like even if you don't do it yourself, it's like, okay, this is what I aspire to do in my home. Oh, I really like the boxes, the containers that they use for their pantry. They all have like that bohemian wooden feel to it. This is definitely an aesthetic design. And then we have someone who is taking us in their fridge. How I stock and organize my fridge. So here's another one. They got fresh fruit here. And those little containers definitely keep like your produce, like they'll have your produce lasting longer. So it's a good idea to actually invest in these little crates and containers. And you can also see how everything is organized, which is really nice as well. Like you can see where everything's at. There's no guesswork. It's like, okay, here I have this, here I have that. And a good tip is to take some of the elements from today's video and implement it versus like everything. So like we have separators in our fridge and we do like a couple of containers. Like ours is not as organized as this, but we do have some containers where we like separate stuff and it will help just a little bit. They also have these containers on Amazon, so you can pick them up and they're like usually sold as like a set. So that's another way that you can like save money if you want to implement this as well. And you can of course stack these containers too, so it's very storage space friendly, allowing you to put even more items in your fridge. So here we have someone putting their cereal in the containers, pasta. Pretty much doing a whole, oh, very nice. So I was gonna say they're pretty much doing like a whole pantry setup. So here's someone else's fridge. They have all their fruit separated. Everything's nice and organized. So I hope you guys were able to find some inspiration within today's video. Hopefully I wasn't talking and rambling too much. If you did enjoy it and you want to see more videos like this, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up hit that subscribe button, and I will, of course, see you next time.